Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Boxycharm, so let's get into it and check it out. When I did my video the other day, you guys were so nice. You said you could barely hear the fan, so to go ahead and use it, I'm gonna do that today. It is almost 100 degrees outside, and even with the AC, with these lights, so I pulled my hair back, so I won't have that photo shoot Beyonce moment that a couple of you mentioned. But this is our Boxycharm by Ipsy. There will be 5 products in here, except for I also do the boost. So the boost adds an extra $15 to the box, so it is $30 plus $15 for the boost. This is a monthly box. You choose 3 of your 5 products. So let's get in here. Let's see what I chose and what they chose for me. What I did not take into consideration is that the fan would make my eyes water. It's always something, isn't it? This is what the paperwork looks like. It will perhaps tell us a little bit about some of the products in here, but probably it won't, but that's okay. I have Mr. iPad with us and he will give us all of the information we need. Our paperwork says Boxycharm Sunny Days Ahead, June 2024. Start your summer off bright with colors that pop, hydration heroes that keep you glowing, and so much more. And then when we open it up, it just tells us a little bit about the featured products. Do they call them that? Sunny Days Ahead, behind the June theme. Actually, I don't remember seeing any of these. None of these are in my choices. So this just might be things we can go on and purchase, or they might have been your choices. I think everybody has different choices. First out, and I think this was their choice for me, got a little squished. I don't think I can fix the box. That is what it looks like. And it is the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. It is full-sized. All of this will be full-sized, 5.07 ounces. That is what it looks like when we take it off. I have been getting some cleansers lately. I just did my empties not too long ago where I told you, I try most of the cleansers and then I slink back over to my Philosophy Purity Made Simple. I think it's Purity Made Simple is the cleanser that I love. But I will try this. This is a $28 value and it says impurities melt away in 3, 2, 1. This creamy gel to foam cleanser gently yet effectively cleanses your face to reveal softer, refreshed skin. Colloidal oatmeal and avocado help soothe and hydrate, while ceramides and pre and postbiotics help strengthen and balance skin's moisture barrier. Well, let's see what it feels like. Is it thick? It's kind of thick. Can you guys see? It's like a cleanser. Got a lot of it on there though. It's just like a gel cleanser. It's kind of green. Oh, it smells nice. Cucumbery. If I had to pick a scent, I'd say cucumbery. I'm gonna have mascara all over my face in a minute because my left eye is watering from the fan. But of all the things that could be happening up here in the heat, I'm gonna go ahead and decide that's the least offensive. Yeah, it's just kind of cucumbery. It smells nice. Wouldn't stop me from using it at all. I'll give it a try. Remember when I used to do that? I kind of like that, and I have the space now since I don't keep stuff back there. Okay, next out we have the Wanderlust Powder Foundation. It is in Fair, as am I, actually. It says Fair Pale, so as am I. This was their choice for me. It is full-sized, all things are, and it is 0.31 ounces. Oh, it's sealed. Nice. I like it when things are sealed. I like a powder foundation in the summer because hot. And if you get too hot and you sweat a little bit, sometimes liquid foundations can not be as nice. You can get away with a little more with a powder foundation. Ooh, I like it. That's what it looks like. It has a button to lift it. So I kind of like that too. Ooh, an old-fashioned puff. It feels a little more, is silicone the word I want? Kind of. A little more silicone-y, a little rubberier than they used to. It doesn't feel like a velour. It feels more smooth and rubbery. That is the color. If it is right for anybody, I am that person. I have on a lot of makeup and I have oh, it covers. And I have a dinner date. Let's see how this does. I'll show you guys with this too. It feels very smooth, but kind of dry. So I've just put some on there. You can kind of see, even though it is pale. Where shall we put it on me? I'm gonna put it here since it'll be less obvious if it goes amok. Oh, can you guys see right there? It's a nice little white streak. Wow, I think it might be too fair for even me. You know what? It might not. I have on all of my foundation and everything else today, and my foundation is a little too dark for me. So if this was going directly onto, can you hear that? It sounds like, well, I'll know in editing if that was just in my head or if you guys could hear it at all. I like the way it feels. I don't feel like it left me looking extremely powdery. So I will, you know what I will probably do? I will probably tuck this in my purse. So when I'm out there and I get hot and then I need to up under my eyes a little bit, I'll have this. Is it, oh, it's not. I'm really trying, especially in face powders, not necessarily in eyeshadows yet. I know I should just draw a complete line, but with all of the stuff about talc, and I know they've told us the Johnson & Johnson talc story for forever, but now with everything that's coming out about it, I'm kind of trying to avoid talc. Please don't be talc. Please don't be talc. Please have the ingredients. Please have the ingredients. Okay, here we go. Yay, it is not talc. Not that they're not going to come out in 20 or 30 years and tell us that mica and silica were also bad for us, but it's not talc. Next out, we have certified toxic free, no, Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. This was the best choice that I had. I can't use it because it has grapefruit oil in it, but I thought, you know what, this time of year, who doesn't want to exfoliate? So I'll see if anybody in the family needs it. If not, it's about time for another giveaway. We just did one. That is what it looks like. It is in the metal tubes. I always love that. There's something vintage and cool about that I just love. This one is actually really one of the nicest I've ever received. They usually look like somebody just grabbed them, but this is very nice. So I'm not going to open it since it has grapefruit peel in it and I want to be able to pass it along. I did choose, oops, take it out, put it back there though. I did choose it knowing that though, so that's on me. There must not have been anything in that category that I just really wanted, which can happen sometimes. The information on that is, it says it has a $55 value, but you can buy it through Ipsy now for $15. Get your dull and rough looking skin back to a smooth, soft, supple state with help from this revitalizing scrub. It's gentle enough to use every day, and the grapefruit and rosehip oils help balance your skin and keep oil production in check. Next out, we have, this is in theory going to be chosen by me because I did right off the bat the two they chose for me. Miel. We'll look at Mr. iPad in a second. It's good and wrapped up tight in plastic. Let's read about it before I take it out so we'll know if I can use it. Honey Infused Hydration Mask. It has a $45 value. Soft and radiant skin, here you come. This face mask is powered by honey, which is rich in essential amino acids and helps hydrate and prevent the formation of wrinkles. It's also made with aloe, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid, French blue clay to help draw, bit my tongue. Help draw impurities out of the skin while pushing moisture in for ultra soft and glowing skin. I had the first part of a crown put on my very last tooth yesterday. So many people said, just pull it. I couldn't bring myself to do it. But I've since then bit my tongue like a lot. And now, you know, once you do it, you keep doing it. That's where we are. We're in the keep doing it portion of the program. Oh, so miel, like, that's how you, I just did it again. That's how you say it in French, right? Miel. Probably saying that really badly, but that is what the little jug, bottle, container looks like. Pot is the word I was going for. Oh, it's thicker than I thought. It's like a really, really heavy cream. There's a little bit on the lid. I read the ingredients and technically there's nothing in it I can't use. So let's see. Oh, it's thick. It feels like you were doing this with honey. Oh, I got it on my nose. I expected it. Oh no. I expected it to smell more like honey than it does. It doesn't smell like honey to me. It's very, very moisturizing though. Wonder how long you leave it on before you take it off. Let's see how to use it. Slather a layer of the face mask over your cleansed, dry skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Okay, I just wanted to be sure that they weren't expecting me to sleep in this because she's thick. My hand is absorbing this embarrassingly quick, but yeah. I could not leave this on my face. It's a little too thick for that, but for sure I will be trying this. It might be a little too much for the summer, we'll see, but I can imagine like in a winter evening just slathering up with this. And last out of my choices, I have Context Shimmer Eye Stick. We've been talking about this. I'm trying to get away from doing powder, you know, the full Monty. I know that means something else entirely. Every day when I do eyeshadows, I would just like to take a stick and kind of, once you get older, you generally will have some discoloration on your lids. You'll see, it'll be more veiny, that kind of thing. So I kind of mostly just use it for a cover up on days where I don't need a full look. I have been using them more and more. Ooh, this one's dark. That is a very dark shadow. Actually, it doesn't go on super dark. It's taupey. I thought it was going to be darker charcoal, leaning more toward a blacky purple, but that is a very usable color. Just kind of taupey and nice. I like that. I said the other day we got a Context product in something. I enjoy the Context products. I know it's an Ipsy brand, but as a rule, I am always happy with them. In case you're wondering, it says my color is Evening Star, and it's a creamy eyeshadow stick that delivers pigmented copper color to your lid in seconds. It's a little taupier to me, a little more neutral than a copper. I think of copper as having more orangey gold leanings that I don't feel like this has, but I probably prefer this. That is my Boxycharm box, but wait, I do the Boost. This box is open too. Also Glow Recipe. Helpful hint to Glow Recipe. Get better boxes. It doesn't matter to me that it's open. They both of the items managed to stay inside, but they did both come open. This actually almost doesn't look bent. It's almost like it was never closed. Anyway, that doesn't matter. It's fine. This is the Glow Recipe. I don't know because I turned it toward you. Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum. That sounds very scary. You can change your boost. They usually have about 6. If you don't like the one they selected for you, you can unselect it and choose one of the other items. There must not have been another one that I liked better. How pretty is that? That is it is just as bright, if not brighter in person than it looks to me there. That would be so pretty just sitting on a vanity. It says this juicy serum is enriched with potent polypeptides and hydrating hyaluronic acid to help plump and firm your skin. Infused with antioxidant-rich pomegranate, it not only helps strengthen and protect, but it also helps prevent and diminish the look of fine lines, so your complexion appears radiant and bouncy. I tell you what, when I ordered this, I felt like I had all the nerve in the world. And as I sit here right now, oh, you know what? I could use it on my neck. Maybe that's what I'll do. I was gonna say, I just don't feel like I have the nerve to put this on my face. Morning and night, gently pat 1 to 2 pumps of the serum on your damp face and neck until fully absorbed. It's like it was meant to be. Ooh, it's a big ingredient list. But yeah, I don't see anything on it that I can't use. So technically, from an ingredient perspective of ingredients that I know that irritate my skin, I don't see any, but there are still peripheral ingredients. But since I can use it on my neck, and I do worry about my aging probably most on my neck, I might just give that a try. Now that is my Boxycharm. All 5 of my products, all 5 full-sized, plus my Boost. My Boost was $15, and this had a $45 value. Thank you so much for coming by. I will put the Ipsy information down below if you'd like to go over and check it out. I am have no jewelry on. I am in no way affiliated with Ipsy. It's just me out here. I purchased it because I like it. I like that they do a usually really nice combination of makeup and skincare, because I am one of the people that I prefer more makeup to skincare, because I pretty much have my skincare routine down. I have such sensitive skin. I don't play around with a lot of the extras. So the makeup is a little more fun for me because I will try all of it. Anyway, I hope you are staying cool. I don't know where you are, but it is crazy hot out there. We are coming up on a weekend. This will probably go up next Monday, but we will have hunkered in all weekend because it is supposed to be about 100 degrees with 100% humidity, and I have to have a fan on to talk to you guys, so you can imagine. Have a great evening, and I hope I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And take care, guys.